Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today, if you clicked on this video, you want to see a truck bed mat. And I got this sent in to review, and it's a Michelin all-weather protection TPE truck bed mat. So the name says it's probably made out of TPE, so it's like a rubber like plastic, pretty durable. Let's see what it says. Anti-slip design, precise fit, premium grade material. And that's the mat. And what we're going to do now, we will open the package, we will install it in the truck, and you'll see what it looks like and how the fitment is, and all the good stuff. So the packaging here is just normal packaging. This has been sent to me. The shipment was pretty fast. So let me open the box and we'll have a look at this product. And you know it all, but what you need is like a box cutter, and then you slice it open and you carefully take it out. Alright, and this is what's in the box there. This plastic here is to protect the, this is the truck bed mat here. Sorry, I'm just a one-man show here. It's just me. So, Michelin. Let's see what we have here. Or Michelin, like the Frenchmen say. This is the French company originally, right? Here's like some instructions in it. Okay. Installation instructions. Okay. You identify the correct side of the mat, installation position, restore the mat shape. This is important. Before you do this, you should lay the mat flat in the direct sunlight for 30 to 60 minutes to help the mat to find its shape. Okay? And then open the tailgate and put the mat in. Yeah, it's easy. I'll show you how I do it. So we'll do it together. That's it. Let's see what we have in here. How to remove creases. Okay, again, lay the mat flat in direct sunlight, 24 to 48 hours in the winter indoors. Just let the mat warm up indoors, and then to regain its shape, or put some weights on it on the corners. Okay, I think that's all good information. Not that I wouldn't have known that by myself. I like the little envelope. That's a nice touch there, isn't it? That's kind of cool. So we'll have a look at it here, and of course I will put it in the sun like directed, and when it's all flat, then we'll install the mat in the truck and we'll have a closer look. Alright guys, and the moment has come to put this mat in, and before we do that, I want to show you a before shot here out in the wild. So let's look at this. This is what it looks before. Scratched, scuffed up bed, not nice to see, and if you load something hard, you can put a dent in or put even more scratches in. So this is the before shot, and let's put the mat in. So the first step you do is you just put it on top here, and look, it's very flexible, so you lift both sides up with your hands. I'll try to do it with the camera as a one-man show here, and then you push it in like this, so it goes over the wheel wells and it should fall right in place. And what you hear here is, it's nothing to do with the mat, it's just my stuff here that I have attached to. So you bend it underneath so that it fits good, and let's climb in here. Let's check how it fits. That's perfect. This is perfect. Same. It fits around the edge is just fine. There's a little bit of a gap here, but if you push that down, it is fine. I did do what the installation manual recommends. I left it outside in the sun and let it smooth down, so flatten down. But as you can see, sometimes it still has a little bit of an couple spots where it's a little more elevated, but no big deal. It's really hot and it will flatten down there too. So this is what you can hear here. That's where this is attached. This net is attached. All right, there we have it. So what do I like about this? I can tell you right away, I like the way it looks. Makes the bed look so nice. I mean, it just looks really, really, really nice. It's from a good brand. It's from Michelin. So that is an excellent, excellent brand. So a couple things to mention is the material here. I touched it and I felt it. I like it. So it's an enhanced anti-slip surface, you know. Like unlike basic TPE mats, this one is reinforced with an anti-slip top layer. So it makes it more scratch resistant, more wear resistant. That's of course hard to show, but you know, when you look at it, I believe it. You know, it looks good. That's good. It's like a granular texture, as you can see on the camera, that helps with wear and tear, you know, when you put stuff in and it drags on it. Also the thickness, when it looks pretty thin, you know, it's still thick here when you look at that, and when it's thick, it makes it a little bit more heavier than the really light mats. So when you have no camper shell, it doesn't flop or fly off out of the bed, you know. That is that's good too. They promise perfect fitment. In my case, I would say yeah. See, it's cut perfect, and of course it's all weather resistant, which is clear. So why do you need this? Well, imagine you go fishing, you go hunting, you go snow, you have your snow boots on the winter, anything that you want to toss in your truck bed, you want to make a mess. This here is a resistant mat. It helps. If you load gravel, you know, it messes up your bed. Like, look at this. See? That's what happens with this mat. No issue. It absorbs impacts too. Something hits it, it absorbs the impact. So good product, and I like it. Guys, tell me about your truck. Do you have a mat like this in yours? Should I have some issues with this mat, then I will contact the manufacturer and let them know and see what they do, and I'm pretty sure they'll send another one or explain what went wrong with the with the mat. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing videos about products for my truck. I know you like to watch that too. Yeah, if you're interested in buying this product, look in the description, the video description. There's a code in there, so you can get, I believe it's 10% off of your entire purchase. So if you are interested to do that, go ahead. I'll put it in the video too, in the subtitles, and go in my video description for more information. You also got the link to the manufacturer, and always think about it. Better having a mat than none, and going with Michelin is never wrong. So alright guys, have a wonderful day or night or evening, whatever it is, and I'll see you soon. Catch you in the next video.